Hello and welcome to the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Excelsior Primary up against Ardenne Prep, both from St. Andrew. I am your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Excelsior Primary won the toss. They decided to have Ardenne Prep play first. So Ardenne, we begin with you. In our first section, we begin with Bible knowledge. From which country did Moses help the Israelites escape from hundreds of years of slavery?
Egypt.
That's correct. Excelsior Bible knowledge. Which tribe of Israel looked after the religious aspects of life, including service in the temple?
The tribe of Judah.
That's incorrect. It's Levi. Ardenne science. True or false? The stomach is made up of muscles.
True.
That's correct. Excelsior science. True or false? A well is a natural source of water.
False.
That's correct. Ardenne local affairs. It's a visual question. Team, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Do we know that guy? Dwayne Adams.
That's incorrect. It's Member of Parliament, Philip Paulwell. Excelsior local affairs. Visual for you as well. Team, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Angela Bromberg.
Member of Parliament. That's correct. Ardenne English language. Give a 7-letter word starting with C, which is a synonym for hide.
Conceal.
That's correct. Excelsior English language. Give a 6-letter word starting with S, which is similar in meaning to the word miserly.
Sincere.
That's incorrect. It's stingy. Ardenne television, a visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Naomi King.
That's incorrect. It's Halle Berry. Excelsior television for you. Visual. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Zendaya.
That's incorrect. It's Gabrielle Union. Ardenne general knowledge. What is the capital of the U.S. state of Alabama?
Is it Washington, D.C.?
Washington, D.C.
That's incorrect. It's Montgomery. Excelsior general knowledge. What's the capital of the U.S. state of Arizona?
Phoenix.
That's correct. Ardenne social studies. What is the highest mountain in Dominica? Time's up. Excelsior, would you like to try? Yes. It's Morne Diablotins. Excelsior social studies. What's the highest mountain in Cuba?
Sierra de Hase.
That's incorrect. It's Pico Turquino. Ardenne music. We Fall Down is a gospel song by which artist?
Bob Marley. Kevin Jones.
That's incorrect. It's Donnie McClurkin. Excelsior music. I Remember Mama is a gospel song by which artist?
DJ Nicholas.
That's incorrect. It's Shirley Caesar. Ardenne mathematics. What is the result when you subtract 46.53 from 123.44? Time's up. Excelsior, would you like to try?
No.
Okay, correct answer is 76.91. Excelsior, still with you in mathematics. What's the result when you subtract 36.50 from 145.54?
109.04.
And time's up. Question passes. Ardenne, would you like to try?
101.04. 111.04.
That's incorrect. It's 109.04. And that bell signifies the end of section 1 with Ardenne Prep and Excelsior Primary on 3 points. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is up next, but before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for the kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, you need to know when a test will take place and the topics that will be covered. Create a study plan and allow ample time to prepare. There is nothing worse than cramming the night before an exam. Stay with us, we'll be back after this.